All right, everybody, welcome back. Happy New Year. We're a little bit late on the Happy New Year video, but we have been so busy. We took a couple weeks off right into the holidays, and when we came back to the store, we had so many orders to fulfill through eBay. So we just started Sunday, Monday, got all the orders out. Now it's Tuesday morning here in the shop, bright and early. And we are gonna just crack some Modern Horizons 2 as a farewell to 2021. The best set of 2021 as we move forward into 2022. I can't believe it. But here we are. 2021 was a great year, but we have loftier goals for 2022. Let me just sort these cards here. We have a lot of fun stuff coming. We're planning to grow, expand the store. We also are leaning towards getting into NFTs and cryptocurrency in general. As part of the NFTs. Oh, Marsh Flats. There we go. Right away. First fetch. NFTs and crypto as part of kind of our collectibles, cards and collectibles goes. It's just a very fascinating space, cryptocurrency in general. Another thing we're considering is taking the money on our balance sheet. Basically, each month we have money coming in and we have money going out, and hopefully at the end of the month we have extra, hopefully we bring in more than we're spending. Doesn't always happen that way. Very cool retro diamond lion. But hopefully every month we'll have some money, most months, left over, because we're not putting all of our sales into new product. So with that leftover money, our balance sheet, we're very close to making it final. We're going to put that money into Bitcoin. And it's been very clear. Whoa, Arid Mesa, second fetch of the box already. Great start to this box. Can't say enough how much we love this product. It's just ridiculously good. Oh, we got our first foil rare, the Timeless Dragon. Pretty cool. So yeah, Bitcoin on the balance sheet. That's the plan for 2022. We're just seeing the cost of everything go up. We're seeing new products are just more expensive. Overhead costs, warehouse, shop, it's all just going up. Cost of everything's rising, and we really need Fractured Sanity, good card. We just really need to keep pace and just having our money sitting in dollars is not really working. And so we are gonna try something new and start putting our balance sheet money into Bitcoin and possibly some other cryptocurrencies. But for now, we're really just looking at Bitcoin. And yeah, been watching and paying attention to a lot of people who are very influential in the crypto space. We watch a lot of the Best Business Show, the Pompliano brothers. That's a good one, good source of information. They have a YouTube channel. And they bring on all sorts of guests. Verdant Catacombs, third fetch of the box already. Awesome. Yeah, so the Pompliano brothers, Best Business Show, shout out to them. And they have on all sorts of great guests. A bunch of young kids, Will Clemente, one of them. And they just put out such good content, and it's just time. Of course, Michael Saylor, shout out to him for being very influential in our decision as well. Willywoo, Tone Days, people we've just kind of watched and learned a lot from before making a pretty big decision. I mean, putting this money isn't really, you know, it's not a huge amount of money, but Solitude. Wow. Is this still $50? Great card. And Awake. Wow. 2 mythics. Ancestors Prophet. Nice. Yeah, so we're really excited for 2022. It's going to be a good year. We're going to try and expand our store, bring more content, mix in a little cryptocurrency content, and yeah, really go full bore in cards and crypto. So we're really looking forward to it. Hopefully you guys will join us on our journey, and we'll still have a lot of fun. We'll crack a bunch of packs, get a bunch more cards graded. I want to do a lot of giveaways, and just have fun, man. That's what it's all about. Having fun. Hopefully make a little money. Hopefully help some people out along the way. And all will be good. Man, how about this box? 3 fetch lands and a Solitude. This product is just far and away the best product of 2021. Ooh, such a cool art and retro frame foil. Just not a great card, unfortunately. Blossoming Calm, that's a good card. Okay, we need a Scalding Tarn, Misty Rainforest, and a Ragavan. Those are the big hitters left. Actually, there's still a bunch of good cards left. Ooh. There's so many variations. It's always so hard to sort these new sets. It's crazy. Retros. I don't even know how I'm sorting those. Tomorrow, or maybe tomorrow, probably tomorrow, I want to do, ooh, there we go, Torok Dread Canter. We have to do Commander Legends. I just have to talk about Commander Legends. So I'm going to make a video tomorrow. Probably tomorrow. Definitely this week. Definitely don't want to miss out on having Commander Legends in your collection, just boxes, or if you're an investor, that set is just a home run. You can't miss. At these prices, you just have to buy them. I'm going hard on Commander Legends, let's put it that way. Commander Legends and Modern Horizons 1 and 2. My biggest investments ever. Okay, last like several packs have been no bueno. Thought Monitor. What's up with these? Ooh, a Deeproot Champion. What is up with these, like all the Planeswalkers? Nobody wants these Planeswalkers anymore. Most Planeswalkers are just tanking. People used to love Planeswalkers. All the ones in this set, pretty much, are terrible. The grist is okay. But price-wise, they're terrible. Void Mirror. Factory, I thought for a second it was a Ursus Saga. Nothing there. We're really slowing down here. I'm pretty sure we're already at value though. Solitude, 3 fetches, and everything else. Just crazy value. Provisioner, Pyru, Milligan. Dang. Probably halfway through the box here. No signed art cards yet. I'm trying to make the full set of signed art, gold signed art cards. Jeez, terrible rares. There's a Cursed Totem. Terrible. Come on, Ragavan. Where's my Ragavan at? Definitely let us know. Make sure you are following our Instagram page. We're going to be posting a lot there. But comment in the comments anything you want discussed. MTG wise, NFT wise, anything. I'm into also learning. I want to learn a bunch about crypto. I actually just bought our first NFT. Boss Cat Rocket Club. We're in the Boss Cat Rocket Club. Pretty fun. Just getting our feet wet. It's on Cardano. So yeah, that should be fun. We're definitely new to the community, new to this space, learning everything about the marketplaces, CNFTs. Yeah, that's all just really fun stuff. Collecting NFTs is similar to collecting anything else. Sports cards, except you can transact in them so easily and seamlessly now that it's really fun. But that's all. That's the only one we've got so far. We've got a boss cat, and I'm sure we'll be buying some more and hopefully making some videos. Yava Maya, that's a great card. Cradle of Growth. Sarah's Emissary, another good card. Dang. Oh my gosh, this pack's loaded. Squirrel Mob's pretty good. We got a retro frame foil prismatic ending. That card is beautiful. Really cool. Really nice. Yeah, I'm excited about NFTs. I'm trying to be cautious and not just put a bunch of money into a market when it's gone up so much in the last 2 years. But I just think the longevity of it will be here to stay. So gotta get in at some point. Merfolk Mistbinder. Let me know if you, oh, there we go. There's a gold signature. Mystic Redaction. Nice. Let us know about any NFTs or anything crypto related in the comments. I mean, it'd be fun to chat about. Ooh, Esper Sentinel, another nice hitter. Oh, Imperial Recruiter. Gosh, I forgot this was even in the set. I haven't pulled one of these in so long. Wow. This set is just loaded. Loaded with good stuff. Hey, if you're a Boss Cat Rocket, if you're a Boss Cat, if you're in the Boss Cat Rocket Club, definitely shout us out in the chat, in the comments, for sure. Maybe we'll do a giveaway of an NFT. I don't know. Figure something out. All right, 3 packs left. This box has been pretty great. If we get anything else, it'd be gravy. Gravy on top of a great box. Nope. Oh, nope. Two more packs. Ragavan. I'm thinking, what am I thinking? Thinking of a Fury. I think a Fury's coming in here. Mythic Rare Fury. Or Nerza Saga. Nope. Nada. All right, last pack, everybody. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Maybe we'll make a video when we officially put our balance sheet all into crypto. All into, I think, just Bitcoin. Here we go, final rare. Ooh. And nothing. All right. Anyway. Great box regardless. Tons of value. What do we have here? 3 fetches. Solitude. These cards right here almost get us to full value of the box. Then we have 4, 5. Oh, we got the Imperial Recruiter in there. Bunch of good cards. All these cards sell for at least $1. Really fun. Really great. Make sure you have some of these. I'm probably not going to be opening very much more. There's going to, especially when these go out of print, the price is just going to skyrocket. So be prepared for that if you're investing in MTG. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Peace.